Hello, thanks for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If this is your first time here, consider joining the family by clicking that subscribe button and remembering the notification bell so that you will be reminded when I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create budget-friendly home decor that's easy to do. So if you want to see some of my creations, keep watching. Since I'm sharing with you gift box ideas, I decided to share with you a gift idea for Valentine's Day, and that's this Dozier perfume. I absolutely love this company. What Dozier does is reproduces classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price, keeping the exact same high quality by cutting all of the expenses and the infamous brand taxes. I absolutely love that if you decide to return the scent, they offer a standard 30-day return period in which customers can return any unsealed scents and get a full refund, no questions asked. So I do love that. And the best part for me is the $29 price range. Most scents are ranging between $50 to $280, and if you're somewhat like me that love your scents and your perfumes, this is so much better for your pocketbook. The scents that I have is musky rose and floral pear, but while visiting the website, I'm sure you will find something that's perfect for you, and there will be a discount code Lovely Moments 10 in the description box below so that you can apply that to your purchase. Also, you can take a quiz on their website where they will help you find the perfect scent for you. All you have to do is answer just a few questions, and that is it. Dozier also offers a 20% welcome discount, so you want to make sure you check that out as well. I'm going to have the link to their website as well as the discount code LovelyMoment10 in the description box below, so you will just be one click away from finding the perfect scent for you. So if you're looking to buy yourself a special gift or something special for a loved one, this is the place to go. Dozier, I absolutely love their scents, and I'm sure you will too. So what I'm going to do now is just get started with this video and jump into the first DIY for today. For my first gift box DIY from the Dollar Tree, I have one of those little wood boxes. I have one of these little chalkboard signs, and I'm going to be using one of these cute little lips from the Valentine's Day craft supplies. What I'm going to do first is glue this little chalkboard sign to the back of the wood box, and I'm just adding the glue to the stick part and lining it up in the back just like this. After I get that complete, what I'm going to do is use some white acrylic paint, and I'm going to paint this entire piece. I'm going to paint over the chalkboard as well. After I get that complete, I'm going to take some brown acrylic paint and just brush over that white color. I'm just dry brushing it. I'm not adding too much paint at all. And then after I get that complete, I'm going to use some soft pink acrylic paint to paint over those lips. Now, I thought I was filming when I attached the lips to the box, but I guess I wasn't. So sorry about that. But what I pretty much did was just hot glue the lips to the part where the chalkboard was, and then I added some jute cord around the box. Now I have some lipsticks from the Dollar Tree. They have Maybelline and NYX. They really added some nice collections to their makeup. So I'm just going to add a few of these to the box, and that is it. And I think this is a cute little gift to give to your friend or your sister, or just something cute for yourself. And now for my next Valentine's gift box, I'm going to be using one of these wood crates from the Dollar Tree. I have a pack of these gem stickers, and I'm going to be using some more of these little wood lips from the Valentine's collection. And now I'm just going to paint two of these lips using that soft pink acrylic paint again. And then I'm going to take these gems, and these are the self-adhesive ones. So all I'm going to do is place them over the lines that's on the crate, and so that way you won't see those lines. And I did do that to both sides. And now I'm taking that white acrylic paint and I am just going to paint this entire crate. I'm making sure that I go over the gems real good to get rid of that pink. And after I get that complete, what I'm going to do is add those lips, and I'm going to hot glue those down on each side. And I'm making sure I line up the openings from the lips as well as the little openings on the box. And that is it. I think this is a cute little box to add your gift in. And as you can see, I added in my little perfume bottles, but you can add anything into these cute little boxes, and they are definitely great for keepsakes. And now for my next gift box DIY, I'm going to be using one of those wood trays that have the 4 sections and some more of these adhesive gems. And what I'm going to do is place them at the top of the tray, and I'm going to go all the way around. And so to create some legs, I have these little wood pieces that I got from Hobby Lobby. But you can use the little cubes from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to hot glue one down in each corner. After I get that complete, I'm going to take that pink acrylic paint, and that paint is from Arteza, and I'm just going to paint this entire tray. That is going to be it for this. Just something really pretty for Valentine's Day that you can add some little trinkets or some candies or anything inside of them. I did find these cute little heart sponges, makeup sponges from the Dollar Tree. I added these to the tray, a little lip gloss, and my little setting powder. And I think this is really cute. And whatever you give in this little tray for a gift, they can keep this little tray on their dresser, on their vanity, in their bathroom. I just absolutely love it. So for my next gift box DIY, I'm going to use one of these wood boxes from the Dollar Tree, some of these craft sticks. I have this really pretty pink yarn, as well as another one of those little wooden lips. Now I'm just going to add some hot glue and place these craft sticks over the top of the lid to cover up the design. And these sticks are pretty much the same size as the lid, but they're hanging over just a little bit, but not much. But what I'm going to do is just go around and just sand them down on the sides. After that is complete, I'm going to stain the lid as well as the box using that early American wood stain. And then after I get that complete, I'm just going to use my Dollar Tree sanding block and sand over the sticks a little bit. And now I'm going to add the yarn around the side of the lid. I thought that would give it a little bit of soft touch to it, and I'm just going to go around it, adding a little hot glue here and there until I have the sides covered. And then after that is complete, I'm just going to tack down the yarn and cut off the excess, and then I'm going to take those lips and just hot glue them to the top of the lid. Now what I'm going to style in these is the Dollar Tree had these really pretty pink little rose buds, and I'm just going to add those in as a filler. And then the Dollar Tree had some Hershey Kisses, and I'm just going to add those right on top. I thought this would be a cute way to deliver some chocolates for Valentine's, and I absolutely love how this turned out. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these were your favorite. And here's another look of the cute little gift boxes that I created today. Also remember to check the description box below for Dozier website link so that you can shop for some scents that I'm sure you will absolutely love. And don't forget to take advantage of the discount using my discount code LovelyMoments10. And also they are offering a 20% welcome gift, so make sure you check that out as well. Until next time, my friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.